Hello guys, today, I've already said today, this, was it a game? Yes. I said part 1 of Gary's Mod. I am making part 2 on the same day, which is today. Now, let's get back into it.
Now I'm as good as dead. Let me out of all these basics for love of all that is holy. Should have lit this game on fire and gone right back to bed.
I'm coming. I see you.
What the fudge does this thing do? It closed in fast and cornered me.
I'll hug you for eternity.
A student named Playtime appeared in my way. She pulled out her jump rope and said, "Let's play!"
Alright guys, I'm just gonna message my friend. Alright, hey dude.
So, you are doing this video, huh?
Yeah.
So, how about we do a collab?
What?
We can do a collaboration.
Okay.
Just tell them that there won't be a video on my side because, yeah.
Dude,
Will we be
it's already
going to
started.
work or running our restaurant?
The video's already started.
Okay, so what are we gonna play?
I don't know, Bloxburg?
Oxford School.
Join me.
Hey guys, Agent Eva Gavin here, and welcome to our collab.
Dang it.
By the way, we're doing this over Steam chat, so this is terrible quality, sorry about that. Hey Nate,
What?
so everyone's Steam chat.
I think this might get some people. So, I don't know, maybe this might.
Check Steam chat and make sure they can see it.
Wait, why am I love Roblox shirt?
I'll be right back.
Did you seriously just type that? Okay guys, in case you didn't know what SRSLY means, it's seriously. Can you not make that much sound effects of going ting ting ting?
Okay, you in?
No, I'm gonna try and find a server that has not that much people in it.
Oh, by the way, we run a restaurant in this game, and it is 25 bucks to buy the game.
Also follow us on Roblox. My gosh, I never knew it was really hard to find.
If you come into the server and say Oklahoma in chat, you can work there.
Also, everyone, if you don't know what our usernames are on Roblox, mine is NoobsCar, and mine is Levi.
And I'm Agent Levi Gaming 23.
Yes. Send us friend requests and follow us. And you can be in our vids.
Also, if you have Steam, just tell us in the comment section of this video and we'll send you our username.
Man, it's so hard to find a server.
Also, everybody, remember to like and subscribe. Okay, you in?
No, I'm still trying to find a server. Dang, dude, this is hard. I never knew this was so hard to find a server. Are you there? Oh my gosh.